Hello there, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the faded film effect on Premiere Pro as easy as possible. And I'm going to show you how to get that in the quickest way. So to get started, drag your clip into your timeline, then that's it. And then make a new adjustment layer. Then drag it over here. After that, go to creative mode. You can get this option by clicking on color, then select a foggy night. If you don't see it, click on browse, then go to your Photoshop, present, 3D LUTs, and there you're gonna get foggy night. After that, you're gonna see something like this. You have to decrease the intensity all the way here. Only if you have a yellowish footage. Now in here I do have a yellowish footage, which is why I added this effect. But if you don't have a yellowish footage, you don't have to add it at all. It's just colors. But to add the faded effect, you have to go to curves. You can also add the curves by using other effects, but I'm gonna use this. Then make 3 points over here, then hold the lowest point and then increase it like this to add the faded effect. Also, if it doesn't look that good, you can actually adjust the curves like this to make some places a bit more visible like this. And then if you still don't like it, you can add a vignette. Now every single person in the internet you see using faded film effect uses a vignette, but you can't notice it because they're really little and different. So here's the setting they use. You have to decrease the amount, then increase the roundness, increase the fever, and then it's kind of not that noticeable. It makes the faded film effect look a bit more nicer. So then we're gonna go to curves again. We can increase the faded effect to make it look a little bit more better. And then I kind of want what's in the middle to be a bit clear. Many people does that, especially if they're doing face cam. So to do this, you can select adjustment layer, then select the round, then increase the size. Here I just want to increase the size, that's why. And then I'm gonna increase the fever like this, and then I'm gonna increase the size again, just like this. And it kind of looks bad, which is why I'm gonna increase the opacity just to make things look a bit better. And then if you play this, you're gonna see there's a faded film effect. If you think the faded film effect is not enough, you can increase it again just to make it look good. But if you don't need this much, you can delete it, because without this the video looks even more better. Here we are. The faded film effect is in your video very easily using Premiere Pro. Hope you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up. Oh, and you can also do the same trick using Photoshop and other softwares. And I'll see you in the next one.